Who says preserves are just for breakfast? Check out our orange balsamic fig preserves and use them for any meal. This is a product from our Above Earth line from our heirloom collection. It goes wonderful with desserts. I'm telling you, use it for cheesecakes, use it for ice creams, use it for crepes. Use it for breakfast. Really, you can use this for everything. It's totally versatile. We use a flavor enhancing technology so you can taste each individual ingredient, and the combination is just wow in your mouth. It is insane. Go out and get a bottle, give it to your friend as a gift. It's great. And remember, flavor is our expertise.